Greetings. This is the graduate portfolio for Bobby E. Roberts Jr., doctoral student at Georgia Southern University for the Educational Leadership Program. I'm a higher education change agent where I am currently working at Savannah State University as a director of the Upward Bound program. And I use this quote: "We have a leadership crisis in our world today. It is based on the reality that we have developed leaders who care more about what people think about them or how they are seen than they care about those that follow them." And I really am focused on um, being a servant leader. I want my employees and those that work with me to know that I am here to support them as we navigate the higher educational continuum. This is my professional summary, as well as my value statement. And I also have a resume and vita here. It shows the trajectory in which I have worked professionally across being in the classroom as an adjunct professor, working directly with student services as a program specialist, program coordinator, and now director. Also, this includes grant writing experience as well as conference presentations, as well as my educational attainment that I have had over my professional career. Right. And next we have the teaching philosophy. And I can download that here. And this is just my statement of how that I'm assessment driven. I believe in activating learning. I'm big on academic accountability because that is what I do for students. I hold them accountable and giving them services to have them prepared for college. So that's my teaching philosophy. As well as my leadership philosophy here. I am a leader that is in tune to his staff members. I attempt to maximize the abilities of all staff members and offer their input on making the goals and objectives obtainable for the unit. So like I said before, I am a servant leader. I believe in having um, feedback and listening to feedback and incorporating feedback from my staff members as they are the ones in the trenches. But it is my goal to ensure that we are meeting our goals and objectives for our department. Now, these are some courses that I have explored as a Tier 2 doctoral student here at Georgia Southern University. Goes back to fall 2020 with the first semester of Tier 2. I have two video reflections here, so you're at liberty to look at those. Also, we completed the leadership matrix and the leadership interview. Those were great experiences as a doctoral student. Also, in a research seminar, we had an opportunity to start our research process as well as create a 3-minute thesis. So that was amazing to do. Spring 2021, we had an opportunity to work on our teaching philosophy. Also, we worked on sample um, syllabi for that course. This doctoral methods course was amazing. It was a lot of work, but there were statistical information provided there. Summer 2021, we did the problem of practice, which is a great activity. We did the book analysis, the research seminar again, picking up more on the research, honing in, getting deeper in the research, collecting more resources, developing my research paradigm. So that was interesting. Fall 2021. We are now working on qualitative researcher methods. We did an observation. We did a qualitative design, a transformative practice. This was a meaningful course. We did theoretical framework research. We also did a critical analysis. And now we are here in spring 2022. And I am excited to have made it thus far. I have an infographic presentation here I'm still finalizing the pre-prospectus, the link to the website, and every course has course significance and reflections that you can click on for review. And this is the final program reflection. And this is Bobby Roberts signing off for Tier 2. Thank you for listening.